Let's have a look at rounding to 5. We have already rounded to 10, to 100, and to 1,000. Now we need to also look at when we need to round to 5. When rounding to 5, we now only look at the very last digit in any number. It doesn't matter how big that number is. So looking at the last digit, remember, when you count in fives, you always end on a 0 or a 5. So now if you look at the last digit, when that number ends on a 1 or a 2, the number is rounded to the smaller 0 number. Whenever the number lands on the 3, the 4, the 6, or the 7, all 4 of those numbers round to the 5. And then 8 and 9 will be rounding to the bigger 0 number. I will give you another example. When you write the number down, like for instance 8, then you can now distinguish when you count in fives, you will end at a 5 number before the 8 and at a 0 number behind the 8. For instance, 5 or 10. Now, from 5 to 8, you count 3 numbers to get to 8. And from 8 to 10, you count 2. So when you look at it, the 8 will then be closer to the 10 because it only have 2 numbers in between, unlike the 5. Or even if you look at the 12, when you count in fives, you end at 10 because 10 is before 12, and 15 is after 12. So you must always go look at that number between which two multiples of 5 will it end. Right, so from 10 to 12, you count 2. From 12 to 15, you count 3. So you will round 12 to 10 because 12 is closer to 10. Now you try a few. 34, which is the two numbers for 34? Good. 34 will round to 35. Now have a look at 239. Remember, it will end on 235 and 240. Which one is closer? Now try 135. And then 157. Good. I think you have this. Now try a few extras just to test yourself out. Have fun high-fiving.